Do you think Georgian and J have the same sound in Thai language? Actually, they don't have the same sound in Thai language. Georgian is a Thai alphabet, which is unaspirated sound, and it's unvoiced for Georgian. This is the example words for Georgian. Jai, Jai means heart. Jing, Jing, true. And Jam, Jam, remember.
For the letter J in English is voiced affricate, an unaspirated sound.
And the sound is stronger than Georgian. Georgian is softer. Jam, jump, jungle is stronger than Thai. And this is the mouth position. Your tongue will touch to the hard palate just behind the upper teeth. J, J, Jai, Jing, Jam. It is Georgian. But for the alphabet J, it's quite different from Georgian.
The sounds voiced affricate. Your tongue doesn't touch the hard palate, and they're both not close to each other like
you
Georgian.
say jam, jump, jungle.
So Georgian and J are quite different. So don't make the voiced sound when you speak Thai with Georgian.